Good morning, everybody. It's like 4:30 in the morning, and I was up, so I decided to go ahead and try to do my first sublimation cup. I know you're probably saying, what the hell are you doing up at 4:30 in the morning? So my hubby have to be to work at 4, so he tends to get up moving around, and sometimes he wake me up and then I be up for like an hour and then I fall back to sleep. So since I was up and couldn't go back to sleep, and I had the cup already set up, I decided to give it a try. I think it'll cool down because it's warm now. Once I took it out, the mug press, I let it cool for a little while because it was pretty hot. I'm not really 100% sold on the mug press as far as doing sublimation tumblers. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome for sublimation coffee mugs because that's what it was actually geared up for. Let me cut it off. This thing, it get hot. I ain't gonna lie, it gets very hot. But I got to see, I'm gonna see how this first cup come out. And then, if not, I'm gonna probably invest in me just an oven, one of the little confectionery ovens, because they run less than $50. So basically what I did was, I used the shrink wrap method, and I also just took some cheap parchment paper from Target, $2, and wrapped it around the shrink wrap, because I noticed on some of the videos that I watched, and I'm looking at my mug press now, and I see some of the plastic. It's actually got at the bottom. It didn't get on the sides. It got the bottom melted, and then at the top melted onto the element. But I'm pretty sure it's just plastic. Once it cools off, it'll come right off. And I'll give y'all a size if this cup actually came out right. The piece of silicone that I cut to go into the mug press in order to fill up the room, because the mugs is skinny. The Cricut mug press is designed for mugs. So you got to be able to fill up the room so it can close all the way. Now, I have never did sublimation before, so I probably over take my cup because I see people talking about ghosting and all this other stuff. So I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to get it off. I can actually see the picture through it, so hopefully that's a sign that it came out right. I can actually see my design through the shrink wrap as well as the parchment paper. I don't know if as much paper as I put on is necessary. I just want to make sure the picture was down with no air bubbles and all that. So a little bit of extra tape and paper might be worth it in order for your picture to come out right. And then, like I said, now that was the parchment paper that I had taped down on there. Now this is I used the shrink wrap method, because if you remember in the starter kit, the lady gave me 2 sublimation mugs along with 2 wraps. And I just took my heat gun, once I got it all taped up with the design, hit it with some heat, and then it shrink wrapped to the cup to hold it in place. I tell y'all one thing though, I don't know if it's the heat that made it, but this stuff is hard to come off. I'm afraid to use something sharp because I don't want to mess up nothing. So it's 3 things gonna happen with this design. Either it's gonna come out right, half decent or complete disaster. I'm hoping for the latter, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully, soon. Uh-oh. I am starting to get the first reveal. And let me tell y'all something. Oh my God. When I tell y'all, can you see the first reveal? This actually came, oh, I hope the top came out right. That came out right. When I tell y'all this came out right. When I tell y'all, oh my God, this actually came out right. Let's see what the top look like. Oh, the top. I see some, maybe I might have had, I don't know if that'll come off. Oh yeah, it rubs off the paper. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, I think I just did this right. For the first time. Now, I'm so excited when I seen the bottom till I can't hardly get, I can't get the top off to see how the top came out. Cricut mug press, I'm sorry I talked about you earlier. I will not be replacing you. I can't even hardly do it, y'all. Let me see. When I tell y'all I'm so excited right now, I see some residue on the cup, but when I rubbed it, it actually came off. So, taping this thing up good so far, it's a headache getting off, but it might be worth it. It might truly be worth it. I really believe my son is gonna really love this cup. He actually have COVID right now. And he's starting to feel better. So I'm gonna ship him this cup while he in quarantine. Just to try to brighten up his day, if it's perfect or almost perfect. Cause my son, he'll take it perfect or not perfect as long as, because I made it. Well, oh my God, I want to cry a little bit, but I'm not. So, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a little bit of residue on the cup. I'm just taking, I don't know, it must have came from the paper. I had it taped down so good, but it looks like it's just coming right off. I haven't looked at, oh, I see a spot on my son. Is that a spot or? I don't know if I'm supposed to wipe it down with alcohol after I'm done. There must be a tape spot. Can that come on? Yep. So first of all, tape your cup down good. So I pretty much taped this cup. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna let y'all look at the seam. You can see the back end, but I had that thing taped down so good till the seam came out really good. I overlapped it just a little bit and I taped the hell out of it so that no heat would get up on it. Oh my God, y'all, I'm about to cry. I am so happy. I am so happy right now. I think, I'm looking at it. I'm talking about, y'all see that? I'm gonna get close up. Let me, God dog it. I'm gonna do a better shot. Cause the light kinda, look at that, 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 y'all. The light from my ring is glaring on it. Look at that. So you know this weekend, I will be doing a full video for the YouTube channel showing y'all how to do the mugs. So it's early. I'm wide awake now. And I'm super pumped up about sublimation and this Cricut mug press. So we're gonna see what all we can sublimate using this mug press. I'm patting myself on the back right now. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up any longer. Even the bottom sublimated right over the edges. I'm not gonna hold you guys up any longer. I will see you guys when I make the YouTube video, because this video is going straight to my Facebook page. So thank you guys for being a part of my Facebook page. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I can't wait to see all the stuff we create. I think this weekend we're gonna make some sublimation socks. So see y'all guys later.